this morning, hundreds of people in Westchester County are being asked to self-quarantine.
This comes as a man in his 50s is now being treated for coronavirus at York-Presbyterian Hospital. CBS 2's Christina has the details.
The state's second confirmed case of coronavirus is setting off way more alarm than the first. Investigators scrambling to retrace the patient's movements from the Bronxville hospital where he was first treated to Yeshiva University, where one of his children went to school.
There's like 2 cases in the state or something, and like one of them is like so close to home.
Officials say the new Rochelle man in his 50s first started developing respiratory issues on February 22nd and is now in severe condition. Lawyers at a Midtown law firm where he practiced now being watched for symptoms. The patient's synagogue, Young Israel of New Rochelle, ordered to halt all services for the foreseeable future. Those who attended recent services told to self-quarantine.
It could be hundreds, if not thousands of people that were interacting with people who did attend on those 2 days.
It's the safe thing to do.
Absolutely, 100%.
Health officials are currently awaiting test results from one of the patient's children, quarantined at home after he too started showing symptoms. His fellow classmates at Yeshiva University told us they were nervous, even though the school announced it's disinfecting common areas.
We definitely see Purell that's laid out on the security desk, but that's about all that we've seen. And you know, like, it's definitely scary for us to be here right now. I think that it's kind of irresponsible for the school that we still have classes right now.
The city's first confirmed case came Sunday when a 39-year-old healthcare worker tested positive after returning from Iran. Tonight, MTA workers were once again seen disinfecting subways, inside train cars, wiping down seats, handrails, and doors. The city tweeting out this photo showing the mayor and other top leaders at an emergency management meeting, reviewing different coronavirus scenarios. The CDC issued a dire warning that what's happening in the U.S. could become as serious as what we're seeing overseas. The virus has infected at least 126 people and killed 9 in this country, across 16 states.
Officials tell us the patient did not travel to any highly infected areas, but he did recently return from trips to Israel and Miami, Florida, earlier in February.